Hey, Bernardo here. There's certain words that I was very uncomfortable with when I was younger, and not a lot younger, maybe 6, 8, 10 years ago. One of them was being called a visionary. I wasn't comfortable with that, and I just thought, well, those are very big words. But as I grew older, and as I appreciated, understand, and learned more about NLP, and obviously appreciating and understanding that I've always been a visual person. I've always made pictures in my head. I've always thought of things and I've gone through things in my head. Well, basically, it makes me a visual person. So if I'm a visual person and I my main objective or the main way that I operate is under visualizing and thinking of things in my mind, well, then yes, I am a visionary. When it came down to building the best you, I saw the whole thing rolling out over a number of years. It always had to be multimedia, it always had to be multi platform, it had to be global. We had to have all the different ways that we engage with people, live events, podcasts, video, filming, online training, magazine. So it was always in my mind. So I visualized that a long time ago. So, yes, when it comes down to the way that the best you has developed and the way that my brand has developed, and to some degree, obviously, my own brand, it is becoming a reality. A lot of what's happening is becoming a reality now, and I visualized this a long time ago. But be comfortable with being a visionary. If it's something that you believe in, if it's something that you do, and you want to achieve something in life, you need to visualize it in your mind first, and visualize it in detail, in great length. You need to see what you would see. You need to hear what you would hear. You need to feel what you would feel. And you need to experience and think about all the things that could happen, might happen, and what you could have done differently or what you should have seen that you didn't maybe see. That's the idea of visualizing. Every athlete, every coach, every mentor, every inventor, every creator of anything has always visualized the specific product idea, concept, or winning in their mind first. So visualize, and visualize as much as you can. Spend as much time as you can every single day, spending some time on ultimately getting that book published, getting your business developed, changing careers, losing weight, whatever it might be. Visualize and become a visionary and become proud of the word being a visionary, being a leader. If that's what you do, if you're leading the way, if you're doing things that have never been done before and people are following you, you're a leader. And guess what? When you're a leader, you're going to have people that love you. You're going to have people that are going to they're just waiting for the opportunity for you to fail to then get on top of you. But at the end of the day, leaders have to lead the way. So lead, visualize, and become a visionary, because God knows that the world needs visionaries and we need as many of them as possible. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Visualize, visualize, visualize.